Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have the opportunity to finally let you guys know why these words that you keep using are wrong. And I really hope that I am the person to actually make you stop using this forever and ever. I want to start saying that adding letter O to a word in English doesn't make it Spanish.
I repeat.
Adding a letter O in an English word doesn't make it Spanish. So with that being said, the first one is the famous word problemo. Problemo, it's not an actual word. I know you took the word problem and you added an O and you think that makes it sound Spanish. No. It is so wrong. The actual word is problema with an A at the end. Also, you cannot say no problema. That is grammatically incorrect. Nobody ever says that. No problema doesn't exist. So if you want to say no problem, you have to say no hay problema, which translates to there is no problem. Hey, moving on to the second one. This one might not be that popular. I've noticed that a lot of people use it because it's very similar to the word in English. So it's basically a false friend. The word actualmente doesn't mean actually.
I repeat.
The word actualmente doesn't mean actually. Actualmente means currently, and if you want to say actually, you have to use the words de hecho, which translates to in fact, or you can also use en realidad, but never actualmente. Actualmente always means currently. Número 3. So the third one is actually a very common mistake. It's not that the word is wrong, it's just the conjugation and the use of the verb, it's incorrect. I've heard people saying, for example, tu orden es aquí. Tu orden es aquí. That is wrong. If you translate to English, is your order is here. Tu orden es aquí, but it's completely wrong. It's grammatically incorrect. Let me know if you know why before watching what I'm gonna say next. If you know why this is wrong, congratulations, you are an expert in Spanish. Now, if you don't know why, it's because we have two verbs to be. And when we're talking about location, we use estar instead of ser. Estar is always for location. It doesn't matter what type of location. If you want to say you are in my heart, your heart is a location, so you have to use estar. Your order is there. There is a location. Your order is here. Here is a location. Same for your sister is at the beach. I am at the movies. The wallet is in the car. The car is a location, so you never use ser. If you are familiar with Spanish conjugations, then you probably understood what I said. If you're not familiar with it, let me tell you, we have two verbs to be, ser and estar, and both of them have their own conjugations depending on the pronoun. Pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, they, we. In Spanish, it changes. Every single time that you're using a different pronoun, the verb, it's gonna change it. And that's what we called conjugation. Okay guys, I hope this video was useful for you and I hope to never hear these mistakes ever again. Hopefully this video reached a big range of people that are learning Spanish and this kind of mistakes stop happening because they're very common and honestly, it's very simple to just switch to the correct way. So thank you so much for watching guys and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!